Hey y'all. Chicken gravy and what else we doing? Bread pudding. This is how we like to do it. There's different recipes, but this is how we do it. Marinated chicken. I have probably about, I didn't measure it. There's probably about a quarter cup of oil. Then you just brown your chicken off real good.
Now after the chicken has been browned, you're going to take it out the pot and put it to the side. Then you add your sausage.
Here we have garlic sausage. We'll cut some of this up, not using all of it. I'll be putting in gravy. And we'll probably use some of it maybe for breakfast or this is from Guillory's and it's dang good sausage. After I got the sausage in there, I'm gonna bring the heat down just a little bit. It's pretty hot. Put it about a little less than medium. And while that's sitting there doing its thing, I'm gonna cut a bell pepper and an onion.
So, honey,
Yes.
while you're cooking in your kitchen, doing your shenanigans, quick question.
What's that?
Where did you learn to cook?
Where did I learn to cook? Mom taught me some. I learned a lot at work. I used to be a cook also. There's a lot more out there and friends in the past, you know. Also you get together, go cook something, you know.
What is your preference? An electric stove, like we have here, or a gas stove?
I would rather gas. That's alright. But here for too long, we're gonna have gas. We'll Get our camper.
So what are you cutting now?
A little bit of sausage. I wasn't gonna put it, and normally if I was, I'd put it when I put the sausage. But I changed my mind, so it's going in a little late. But it'll be alright. I'm still gonna do the same thing.
What is sausage?
Pork. Smoked pork.
So what are you doing now?
Well, I got some hot water here.
Plain hot water?
And some chicken bouillon cubes.
So what?
Chicken bouillon cubes. I normally don't use this. But wife insisted.
Chicken bouillon cube.
So we got the bouillon. Sorry, honey.
Just throw me under the bus, why don't you?
I normally don't use them. But it's still
It just
good.
adds extra flavor.
Yes, no extra flavor to it.
So what do you do with them?
Put them in there and they'll start to dissolve.
You don't crush them up or anything?
You can, I mean, as they sit there and get warm, get salt,
They bubble.
you can speed it along by using a fork or something. I just put it in there.
Can you see the bubbles? They bubble. Just a little bit. Not like a pop pop fizz fizz. But it's a bubble.
I then put the water that had the bouillon cubes in it. It dissolved. Pour it in here. This is what you're looking at so far. And we're gonna let that simmer for a while. Okay, I've let this cook down for a little while. Now I'm gonna add my chicken back into it. All that good stuff there. And you're gonna stir this in. I'm probably gonna add just a little bit more water to it. Now, after a little while of simmering and cooking down, it's basically ready. Some people, they like to put gravy thickener. It all depends on how you like it. The way this here is, it'll pretty much stick to the rice. Some of it might go through, but most of it will stick to the rice. So we're not going to put any. But if you want it a little thicker, flour and water or gravy thickener.
Now we're going to make bread pudding. First thing you do is you break up a half a loaf of bread to a bowl. You add your 1.5 cups of sugar. Go ahead and pour it, Terry. Just pour it. About time. Then you're going to add cinnamon to taste. We like a lot of cinnamon. Not done yet. Wait for it. There we go. Now you're gonna add vanilla. I told her 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Make it a whole. There's a half. That makes 1.5. That's close to 2. I'm now fussing, and when I say 2 teaspoons of vanilla, that means 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Not a half, and then a 1, a half, whatever. Go ahead and put a little more. And you're gonna put 5 eggs. Two cups of milk. And you're gonna stir all this together. Alright, now you're gonna stir this up real good. Make sure the sugar dissolves. It's gonna look kind of clumpy, but that's okay. You're gonna spray your pan really good. Sides, bottom. Make sure it's sprayed good. Then you're going to pour it in your sprayed pan. Now all you have to do is kind of spread it out. Have the oven on 350. And cook till it turns kind of golden brown on top. It's going to swell it. Make sure there's not a rack above. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter, about a quarter cup of milk, and your brown sugar is about a cup or so. I just eyeball it. Stir that all up real good. Add your pecans, however many you want. Bring this to a ball, probably for about 1 to 2 minutes. Take it off the stove and put about 2 caps of vanilla and stir it in. Smells good. Then you're gonna let it sit and cool a little bit. After you take the bread pudding out the oven, it's gonna be somewhat swole up. As soon as you take it out, it will start to collapse. After it's cooled down somewhat, put it on top and spread it out. Yum, yum.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Also, remember to get outdoors and enjoy. Have a blessed day.